Well, hello you guys. Haven't talked to you guys in a while. In today's video, I'm gonna show you guys my go-to everyday hairstyle, which is this. And I've been using a new hair wax. I'm gonna show you guys which one that is. If this is something that interests you, you wanna learn how I do my hair like this, then keep on watching. Are we ready to do this together? I think so. So my hair is wet. I just got out of the shower looking like this. I don't know if you guys don't look like this when you get out of the shower. What do you do with your life? I'm just kidding. Yeah, I have full on makeup right after shower. No, to tell you the truth, I took shower and then when I was doing my makeup, my hair was already dry. So I'm like, oh, I had to wet the hair again for this video so I can show you guys from wet to dry. Alright, let's get to work. I'm actually going to show you guys even the shampoos I use to keep the color in, because I get asked a lot of questions about what shampoo and conditioner I use because I color my hair so much, what I use to avoid fading and all that. So we're going to do from A to Z. Okay, then I'm going to go grab the shampoo and the conditioner that I use. So wait for me. Alright, we're back. So, the shampoo and conditioner that I like using, it's called the Vibrant Sexy Hair. Zoom, please. This is from the pink line, and I'm out of the shampoo though. I just threw the bottle away. This is the conditioner, but this is what I use. It smells. Smell it. Ooh, the bottle is so dirty. Like, unsee that part. So yeah, the shampoo and conditioner that I use is this. And when I'm shampooing my hair, I always do my hair up. So since I'm gonna wear it up, everything I want to do is gonna be up. When I'm in the shower, up. Blow drying, up. Styling, up. You get where I'm going with this. Alright, so we got the conditioner and shampoo. So after that, I like to put some kind of hair serum in my hair before I start blow drying or flat ironing. I'm going to do both. I'm going to flat iron and blow dry. Blow dry first and then flat iron. The products are on my desk over there, so bear with me. Okay. So next up, we're going to use the, dude, zoom in already. Love Oil by SEXYHAIR. Love oil. Can't fit that much. You can see how much, right? That much. That much. Yeah, I like to do rub and then put it all over my hair. I do that before I blow dry or flat iron. Oh, of course, I didn't plug my blow dry in. If I did, it would have been too easy. So that's the next step. Plug your blow dryers in. Alright, I'm going to do that. I think I've already shared this with you guys that I don't really brush my hair. I just like use my fingers to do the styling. So let's do that. So blow dry it up. And I'm kind of pulling my hair with this hand. Not too hard. And we're gonna end this with a hair flip. How did I do? I don't know how to be sexy. As you can see, my hair is already doing what I wanted to do, which is up. Now we want it to stay, so I'm gonna flat iron it, like so. Not with my fingers, I'm actually gonna use a flat iron to flat iron it. And then I'm gonna use two styling products. I'm not gonna use hairspray this time, just these two styling products I've been using a lot lately. So we're gonna do that. We're gonna do that. I actually just recently got a new flat iron. I mean, I didn't get it. They sent it to me, FHI. Guys, I'm obsessed with this. I'm actually gonna do a review video on this flat iron. Show you guys. I'll tell you why I like it. And this is not the video for that. I'm not gonna really talk about this flat iron, why I like it, but I'm gonna do a review on this so you guys know. Kinda obsessed. I set it for $3.95. Can you see? Oh, okay. So, I like to start in the front. Try not to go over the same section twice. Try was the key word. The root. So I'll show you guys close up what I do. Here, and then you go up. Stick it in here, and then you go up. Stick it in here, go up. Same on this side. Stick it in here. Somehow I never really end up doing the middle, but maybe just do a couple of sections in the middle too. Because it really doesn't matter if you do the middle or not. So, kind of already looks like what I want it to look like. Next up are going to be the products I use. The back, I sometimes wear it up or down. So I like to flat iron this up. Can you even see? Am I even in the frame? Who knows? Doesn't have to be perfect. Nothing has to be perfect. That's why like everybody is like, oh, I bet you spend hours on your hair. Honestly, I don't, because I don't care for it to be perfect. I just let my hair do its thing. Like if it wants to go this way today, I'm gonna style it this way. I'm not gonna fight it to go this way because that would mean I'm gonna put in more effort, more products, more everything to make it go this way. So but just listen to your hair. See what it wants to do. Don't be so selfish. So the powder play and this new hair wax, I've been like obsessing over this one. Texture Frenzy. It's a 2 shine 8 hold. It's like it's matte and it has a pretty strong hold. So we're gonna put this guy, powder play. Put it in the roots. And then just do this. What I like about it, kind of gives your hair a wet look. So, swoop your hair over to the other side. I'm gonna use this hand for that. It's so hard to do a video and style because I can never see how much product I have in my hair, and then sometimes I'll rewatch my video and I see that there was a big chunk of hair wax stuck to my hair. But if I was using a mirror, then I normally see what I'm doing. So that's that. If you want more texture, if your hair doesn't have a lot of texture, you can go in here and do the same thing. But since I color my hair so much, I think I have plenty of texture. Zig, 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 zig. Okay. All right. And then you take the wax. You do like that. You don't flick it actually, you just take a little bit. Put it in your hands and look down and then do this. Because you want the product in the ends, and also I like to put in the front a little bit and the sides to tame the sides. So just do that. And you just take whatever is left on your hands or fingers, you just do this twisty motion. Whatever. Do not, if you don't like having a lot of product in your hair, just work with whatever's on your hands. And if you don't mind the feeling and you feel like you need more product, just dip in there and get more. So just take it. Give it a piece. See, my hair wanted to go this way. I didn't fight it. I let it go that way. And whatever is left on my finger, I'm gonna put it on the sides. Tiny sides. In the back, I usually like to go do this. And then I like to pose. I'm just kidding. Do we like it? I mean, this is my go-to pretty much everyday hairstyle. Every time, if you watch any of my stories on Instagram, you'll see that my hair is pretty much always in this style. See, once you have enough product in there, you can move it around. I can like push it that way, or I can like do that. Well, that's it, guys. This is the style for today. If you enjoy my hair videos and my goofiness and you want to learn more about products I use, I do product reviews, I do hair tool reviews, all that good stuff. If that interests you, then subscribe to my channel. You know, like that subscribe thing that's there. I'm not gonna do a pop-up thing like everybody does because I don't know how to do it. And also I do a lot of I post a lot more on Instagram, so I would say check out my Instagram. I'm gonna have it up here somewhere, the Aminette_A. Well, thank you for watching, you guys. I hope you find this video helpful. Please do tag me if you try to recreate this look. Please tag me in it. I would love to see it, and I would love to hear your feedback. Bye, guys.